everyone, let's solve a question from pipes and cistern. We have not solved it from quite a long time. So pipe A can fill the tank in 3 hours. So we have pipe A which is filling the tank in 3 hours. Pipe B can fill the tank in 5 hours, and pipe C can empty the tank in 15 hours. Okay, it's doing in negative work. So find in how many hours tank will be filled, and they work alternatively starting from B. It's an interesting one. Starting from B. Let's first find the total work. So 15, this is 5 3, and this should be a negative efficiency. So 5 3 and minus 1. Now because we are starting from B will do 3 units of work. Then we can use either A or C. So we have a choice. Okay, so I am taking any order, but whatever order I will take, I will try to maintain it throughout the problem. So I am taking A and then C. So if I take A, then it will be 5 units of work, and then C, which will do a negative work of minus 1. Okay, now in 3 hours how much work is done? 5 3 8 and 7. So in 3 hours 7 unit work is done. Now next who will come? Again B will come. One cycle was completed, again B will come. Then according to our convention, A will come, then again C will come. Now after 6 hours how much work is done? Another 7 unit work. So 14 units work has been done. We have to complete 15 unit of work, so 1 more unit of work is left. So in this type of problem, what we do is we have utilized 6 hours. Now some partial work is remaining. So, and who is about to come next? B is about to come, because 2 cycle is completed, and B has an efficiency of 3. So what is the remaining work? Remaining work is 1 unit, and the next coming candidate efficiency, which is B in this case. So this is the amount, or you can say the time. This was complete 6 hours, as you can see, 3 hours here, 3 hours here, and then only 1 unit of work was left, and that 1 unit was done by B. So we write its efficiency in denominator. That's the trick, you can say. Complete work 6 hours, and then partial work was in the last day. How much work was left? 1 unit. And who came? Its efficiency, so 3. Had had AK been there in the last day, so 1 divided by efficiency of A, so that is 5. Okay, that's it. So you can say, if I simplify it further, 19 by 3 should be there. So second option should be the correct.